Alright guys, welcome to Tech with Obed. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about AT&T's quarterly earnings results, quarter three. Now, we all know that AT&T outgrew T-Mobile last quarter. And they had over 1 million subscribers, I believe. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But they had a really, really good quarter last quarter. But shockingly, the stock didn't move at all. Barely. It moved like a couple cents. So the stock's not doing so well. Even Jim Cramer on CNBC the other day said that AT&T stock is probably going to hit the bottom. So not so great for the stock, but great for the company overall. The earnings report. I'm just going to quickly go over that with you guys. Let me just turn this off. So AT&T did beat postpaid phone net adds. They added 928,000 postpaid phone subscribers. Analysts predicted that they would add 521,000. They did miss revenue expectations by, let's say, 1.5 billion, but still, they did pretty well. They made a good amount of money this quarter. So I'm just gonna quickly read this. So AT&T crushed analyst predictions for phone postpaid phone subscriber net adds, reporting 928,000 compared to the estimates of 521,100. CEO John Stankey said that it would be the best quarter in the area for more than 10 years. Additional phone postpaid subscribers represent a key metric indicating the net difference between the number of new postpaid phone subscriptions added during the quarter and the number of subscriptions that were terminated. As long as this metric was positive, it means that AT&T is adding the total number of postpaid phone subscriptions. So adding new phone subscriptions had become important recently, as AT&T has been divesting of certain businesses in order to focus on the core wireless and broadband communications operations. So as we know, AT&T has spun off a couple of their media assets, such as Warner Media, I believe, and DirecTV, and HBO Max, which in my opinion they should have kept because it's growing at a fast pace. And so so we're gonna go right into the stock now, and as I previously said, the stock is not really performing as well as it should be. I believe the stock is at probably worth 25, 26. I might be wrong, but it was roughly at 29 a few months ago, but now it's dipped down to that, and some analysts say it's probably going to dip even more. So AT&T shares were up like roughly 1.5% in the market, trading following the earnings release. Overall, the company's stock has significantly lagged the broader market, providing 1 year trailing total returns of 4.4% compared to 31.8% for the S&P 500. So the stock is not doing so well, as I previously said. So I guess the board members or the investors are not happy about something. I don't know what they're not happy about, but AT&T is doing well. They're doing everything they can, and I think their stock should be a little much higher than what it is now. But the next earnings are going to be next year for quarter four. So AT&T had a good quarter overall. I kind of look forward to T-Mobile's. I'm going to get Verizon's earnings up next on the next video, guys. But AT&T did pretty well. They beat most expectations this quarter. And they had the highest postpaid net adds in company history in the last 10 years. So they're on the right trajectory for sure. Hopefully they keep this going. And they have another good quarter next quarter. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys turn your bell notifications on the way out. And also, I'm gonna make a social media page for this channel specifically. So, when I do so, follow me on those. Um, YouTube does have issues posting out notifications. No idea what's going on with the algorithm, but YouTube just kind of dropped the ball on the notifications sometimes. But we're gonna have the social media page, so make sure you guys follow me there. Other than that, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Deuces.